And lining up in the under-9 mixed 4x100 metre final, lane 1, Ringwood, lane 2, Keilor, lane 3, Doncaster, lane 4, Nunawading, lane 5, Cranbourne, lane 6, Brighton, lane 7, Ringwood, and lane 8 to round out the field, the team from Knox. Waiting for the starters' orders in this under-9 event, the last of our mixed 4x1 races for the afternoon. And there is a yellow flag behind lane 1. So he'll be competing under a warning. And they're underway in this under-9 event. The team from Cranbourne right on the inside is getting a very strong start, as is the team from Nunawading on the inside. Ringwood running very, very quickly indeed as those small legs are ticking over. But it's the team from Ringwood in lane 7 who changes first. Nunawading running a very strong second leg as well. Athletes going to and fro as the boys and girls change over in this 4x1 event. Nunawading looks like they're changing first as Ringwood on the outside running very, very strongly indeed. One of the highest seeded teams in this race. Doncaster, Nunawading and Cranbourne all battling it out in the middle as well. Nunawading will change over first as they enter the front straight. Cranbourne running very strongly as well. Who will lead them in? Cranbourne. Doncaster on the inside running very quickly. Taking the athlete from Nunawading, battling out for a second, but it will be all Cranbourne. Cranbourne who will pass the line first to win the gold medal in this mixed under-9s 4x1, followed by Doncaster, Nunawading, and some other teams in that race to follow, rounding out 4th to 8th.
Yeah, he was checking Shama.